So, hello everyone. My name is Bondavis Salinagbay, and this is my lab exercises, database setup and table creation in web server. No, so first of all, we need to download the web server from this link. So if you click this link, then diretso ta sa sa download page of web server. Then after that, we need to install. No, and as you can see here in the you just need to click it here. And if you see the green one, then click, go to my PHP, my admin, and you will be in the login. So you just need to log in, but I already got login. So, makita nimo diri ninyo diri sa gihatag sa ato na guidelines. So to create database, you just need to click. So na naman da ako yung database no. So maghimo tag bago. So you just need to click here. Pwede ibisan nun sa CMS. So we need to like put example one, then create. We can put here the table name is CMS one. We need to like get 4 or 5 columns now. So we put 5 columns. Then there are our table, no? Another table. Then as in the instruction, we need to put a variable name. And so we need to put username or user ID. Full name, uh, user password, and the last one is type. Okay, type. So base here, we need to change it in the full name. We need to change it into varchar. No, uh, we put 500 length or values for it. Then we need to here in the user ID, we need to like put primary. Go. And we change it here, div. Then user, you need we need to change it into blob as well. So let's check again. Varchar. Let's put value or length, 45. So as you can see guys, ginasunod ra na ako which ang gihatag sa mga na. So after that, uh, we are set. Then if we press save, then this is the input now. You can see the table here. No, user ID, full name. Mo ni diri guys ang ma-record or diri mabot ang mga record sa user na nag-login. And if you want to change or if you want to like add new tables, then you just need to like click here, new, and then here you will add again table name and other columns. So that's it guys now. Thank you for watching. uh by the way, my name is Balna Mr. Nagbay, no? And thank you very much. God bless.